This is Unit 5, Lesson 12, Loops and Simulation, Puzzle 5. Our condition, changing the condition. So we are going to focus on the stop condition here. We need to change the condition. Right now, we use the count. We go 10 times, and now we want to change it so we can do it fewer time, or if we have a target number of heads. So far, we are going to change the flip counts to 5 heads. So, which variable keeps our head count? Flip head. And so I'm going to say this flip head has to be now flip total once we have 5 less than equal to 5. So if I reach 5 flip heads, I will stop this loop. And that's it. I just run this code. So head became 6. I should not count, so I should stop when it is 5. So head count is 5. We are going to have this 5 times, so it may take less simulation or more, so you can see it here. And in puzzle 6, we are going to change the flip heads was 5, and now I want to change it to 1,000 heads. So we are going to first, before we reach 1,000 heads, we need to do a quick check to make sure that I don't go that far. First, I want to change the number to 7. So, and does it really work? Again, I can see here. So the print statement, but it works here. So as you see, like sometimes, you know, when it reaches, you cannot even see, like this one. So it's better to not print all the statements here. So we are going to change the number of heads to 7. It works. Now we are going to be confident that it's going to work with 10,000. So we will comment, write comments for each flip, so we can actually go here, and we don't want to write this. And we will run the simulation, and we are going to show only how long does it take. So I'm going to go ahead and just print this flip head. I'm going to go here, flip head, and then I will print the total count. And I will print the count, how many simulation is needed for, I will comment this code by using / that is next to your shift key. I will use / to comment this code, so I will just see the results. So as you see, like 7 is done in 10 count. Now I think, I'm sure it's gonna work with 10,000, and finger crossed, and run. It takes 20,000. It takes 19,000. It takes 19,000. And if you see, guys, this is like how many options we have. We have 0 and 1. We have almost like 2 options. So if you see 10,000, we have almost twice the amount. So it doesn't go more than that. It's around like 20,000, so 50% chance.